In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a brand new website or making a quick edit to your existing one, knowing how to add and update text is an essential skill for creating a polished and professional site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the steps you need to confidently add text to your Squarespace pages. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Squarespace homepage and log into your account. Now, depending on your preferences, you can either enter your email and password or use the Continue with Google option. If you choose the Google method, make sure to select the Google account that's linked to your Squarespace site. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, click on the link to navigate to your website. This will take you to your site's overview, where you can see all the pages and settings. From here, click on the Edit link to open the website editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site's layout and content. Once the editor is open, look for the Add Block option. Clicking this will bring up a menu with a variety of block types you can add to your page, including images, videos, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding text, so scroll through the options and select Text Block from the list. Text blocks are incredibly versatile and can be used for anything from headings to detailed descriptions. Now that you've added the text block, click on it to open the editing interface. This will give you a blank canvas where you can type the text you want to add. Take a moment to think about what you're adding, whether it's a welcome message, product details, or an announcement. Make sure your text aligns with the overall tone and purpose of your site. Once you've decided, simply type your desired text into the blank area provided. When you're happy with the text you've added, it's important to save your changes. To do this, click the Save button. This step makes sure that your text is finalized and becomes part of your live site. Without saving, any edits you've made will remain in draft mode, and visitors to your site won't be able to see them. So don't skip this step. It's a crucial part of publishing your content. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily update your site's content to keep it fresh and engaging. If you're new to Squarespace and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. So now you know exactly how to insert text on Squarespace. If you have any questions or tips to add, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.